Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what is up? My name is vianney.strick. Thank you for watching. So today I am doing another dupe video. You guys seem to really enjoy these. I've done a lot before, so I'm really excited about doing this one because we are gonna see if the Naked Heat palette has a dupe, and if it is the Hush Inferno palette. These palettes are very similar. It comes from the Hush app, and you guys know that they dupe a lot of palettes, and I like to test them out, swatch them, do demos, and do wear tests with them, so that way you guys know what you should be spending your money on. No matter if it's cheap or expensive, it's still your money, and you want to know that it's going for something good. So anyways guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to my channel to join my squad. Make sure you do that. Come on guys. If you're still watching me and you haven't subbed, why? What are you doing? Let's be friends. Come on, comment down below. Let's be friends. If you guys want to learn more about these products and you want to see them in action, then please just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so let's just get started really quickly. I'm just gonna, I broke a nail, so please don't mind this. I'm literally getting my nails done tomorrow, and my nail broke, so it looks really nasty, but let's just get over that, okay? So today we are gonna be duping the Naked Heat palette. This was such a requested video, and I apologize for taking so long to do this, but I finally am doing it, and I really hope you enjoy, and I hope it's helpful. So today I'm going to be comparing two palettes. Like I said, I'm going to be comparing the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, which is one of my favorite palettes, to the Hush Inferno palette. Hush is an app and a website that is known for duping a lot of palettes, and they're very, very good quality from all the ones that I've tried. And I actually have I think I have maybe 4 videos of different dupes from Hush. So if you're interested, I will link them all down below. I will have a playlist for you guys as well because I put them all to the test, and I did swatches, demo, and all that jazz. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Let me show you guys up close what these look like. Then I'll show you guys some swatches, and then we can put it on the eyeballs. The eyelids. As you guys can see, they're obviously in different order and they're different shape and all that, but they have very, very similar color. Sorry, I'm trying to do this because my lights are really bright. I want you guys to see that they're very, very similar. And the packaging looks similar too, just like from the outside. They have the same type of deal going on. I'm gonna put the prices right in the screen to show you guys the difference between the prices. And it's a really big difference. I'm not sure if this is $10. Usually they're all around $10, but I wanna make sure, so I'm gonna put them up in the screen. Guys, I already did some swatches, and let me just show you guys right now. As you guys can see, they swatched pretty freaking similar. I'm talking very, very similar. All these shades are on point. I'm kind of shook. It's crazy because I know already, like I said, I've already duped other ones and they are very, very similar. It's just every time that I dupe another one, it's I'm still in shock because it's just so crazy to me that these companies can do the exact same thing with, different prices. And I know some people might think it's unethical, I don't know where you stand. All I know is that I understand that they're pretty much ripping off these companies, but I'm just here to test out the dupes just in case you do want to go get it. I can tell you if it is a dupe or not. That's just kind of my whole deal. I review products. I'm just trying to help you guys out so you don't spend your money on either one if you don't want to, or if you know which one to spend your money on. Either way, even though this is really inexpensive, you still want to make sure that whatever money you spend on it is worth your money. I'm gonna do Naked Heat on the right eye and the Inferno on the left eye, and we're just gonna be using different brushes and kind of do the same look and see how they perform. I'm quickly just gonna prime my eyes with the Maybelline Master Conceal and the shade Light Medium, and I'm gonna set it with my Makeup Revolution banana powder. As always, I just got it everywhere. Great. Oh, I put way too much on. Way too much. By the way, I don't know if you guys know already, but I do have eyelash extensions, and don't worry, I will be doing a video all about them. I just wanted to wear them for a couple of weeks before I do a video so I can give you guys my actual thoughts, not just my first impressions. So yeah, I think we're ready to get started. They're back. Alright, so I'm first gonna go in a transition shade. Remember, my right, your left is gonna be Naked Heat. The one with the weird finger. It's gonna be Naked Heat Eye, and then the other one's gonna be Inferno. I'm first gonna start out with the Naked Heat, and I'm just gonna go into the shade. I'm gonna make Sauced and Low Blow and put that as my transition shade. This is one of my favorite palettes. I think if you love warm tones, which by this point, who doesn't? This is just such a nice everyday or like going out palette. It's really versatile. I mean, there's only so many looks you can get with them, but I love it. And I'm gonna go into the Inferno palette and use the shade Baked and Glow, which are the ones that look the most similar. Okay, so right off the bat, I can tell that the Urban Decay one is a lot warmer and more pigmented. By the way, there's a lot of fallout on both palettes, just letting you guys know that. Okay, so the Inferno palette, the eyeshadow is a little bit more smooth and easy to blend, but it's not as pigmented as the Urban Decay, as you guys can see. So what I'm gonna do is just try my best to build this into the intensity of the Urban Decay. Okay, so I think it's pretty even. Like I said, the other one, oh my god, I feel like such a little kid doing this because I feel like I can't use my pointer finger because it hurts. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if that's distracting. Okay, so I got it to the same intensity. This one just took a little bit longer to get to, but it's not bad. The eyeshadow is actually really nice and smooth. And like I said, there is a lot of fallout on both palettes. I'm gonna go in the shade En Fuego, and I'm just gonna put that right under the crease just to start smoking it out a little bit. This is a very pigmented shade. I'm just gonna put that right here. It comes off a little bit more purple than like pink in the pan, but I still like it. I think it's really pretty. And I'm gonna go back into that blending brush and kind of just melt those two colors together. I'm going in with a different brush. I'm gonna do the same thing, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Burn on the Inferno palette. This is not coming off as pigmented as on this eye. I think it might have to be the same thing with all the shadows. You kind of have to just build up the intensity. So let's see if we can get there. So I know it looks kind of messy. I am gonna clean up the edges before I do my foundation. Now I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush, and I'm gonna start kind of outlining the outside of the halo eye. And for that, I'm gonna be using the shade He Devil. So far, the Naked Heat is just working so well. I'm so impressed with it. I love it. Oh yeah, I'm liking this eye. Cool. I'm gonna go into the Inferno palette and take the shade Hotspot and do that again with a little detailer brush and do the other side. Okay, so this shade is really good because I'm packing it on, so it is going on really vibrant and pigmented. I'm sorry if you guys can't see because I have such big lashes on. That's why I'm kind of on the fence of them right now, but I do love the way they look on me. Okay, and like the other one, I'm gonna go back into Burn, that little like pinky purple shade, and I'm just gonna blend everything out. What I'm noticing right away is that this eye, all the colors are mixing together and it looks so bad on camera. I promise it looks way better in person. And this eye, all the colors are blended nicely, but you can still see all the different shades that I'm putting in. I feel like these are just kind of mixing all together and they look really patchy. I don't know how I feel about that. I have to go somewhere after this, so hopefully we can fix it. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer in the middle of my eye just to do the halo eye. And I'm just gonna use the same concealer that I used to prime my eyes. Okay, this eye looks horrible. The concealer is not wanting to go on pretty, but it's okay, we'll just put a shimmer shade on it. So for the Naked Heat palette, I'm gonna take the shade Lumbre. Why am I saying that with an accent? Lumbre! And I'm gonna put that on a flat brush and just pack it on the inside of my halo eye. It's pretty, but it's not as vibrant as I wanted. I'm gonna go into Scorched as well and put that on top. See, this is a little bit more vibrant. I like this better. Yeah, and I'm gonna go back into that small brush again and just kind of blend all the edges out. Now I'm gonna go back into the other eye and go into the other palette. And let's see, I'm gonna take the shade Lit and Flames. Those were the two shades that we used. So I'm first gonna go into Lit. Oh, see, I think I really like Hush products for their shimmers. I think their shimmers work so well. Some of their mattes are good, but I think where they are better is in the shimmer category. This looks really pretty, and then I'm gonna go into Flames and put it on top. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I'm just gonna take a little brush and go into the shade White Hot from the Inferno palette, and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with that. Whoa, that's really pigmented. Okay, I didn't expect that one. And then I'm gonna go into Naked Heat, and I'm gonna take the shade Ounce, and I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone on the other side. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face makeup. We'll do the lower lash line together, and then I'll tell you guys my final thoughts. Okay, so we got all our base makeup on, even highlight, and I'm just gonna do the lower lash line now. So I'm first gonna go into Naked Heat, and I'm just gonna take a little shader brush, and I'm gonna go into He Devil. And then with the same brush, I'm just gonna go into Sauced and Low Blow, which were our transition shades, and I'm just gonna blend that out. And then with a different brush, I'm gonna do the same thing again, go into Hot Spot. This Hot Spot shade's probably one of the better shades. And then I'm gonna mix again the transition shades. Okay, so I'm quickly gonna put mascara on my lower lash line. All right, and I'm quickly just gonna highlight in my inner corner with White Hot from the Inferno palette. Ooh, that's a really nice highlight shade. And then with a different brush, I'm gonna go into Naked Heat and go into Ounce. And I'll be right back, and I'll just tell you guys if they're dupes or not. Okay, so let's talk. I think that, you know, just by looking at it, everything looks very, very similar. So let me just tell you guys my thoughts. I'm gonna be super detailed because I wanna make sure that you guys understand what I'm saying. I think that, I feel like the Hush shadows are, they're a lot softer and like easy to blend, but then they're a little bit too blendable to where I feel like you lose each shade and they all kind of blend into like an orange, to whereas in the Naked Heat palette, the shades are more vibrant, so they're a little bit harder to blend, but once you do, you keep the shades that you placed and you can tell that you put all those different shades. So at the end of the day, I do think that the Naked Heat palette eye looks prettier than this one, but I don't see that much of a difference. I really don't see a difference. So do I think they're exact dupes? No. Do I think that this is a really good, affordable alternative? Absolutely. If I had this palette, would I want to go by this one? No, because I think I would, like, these are the same shades. Like, you guys saw the swatches, they're the exact same shades. The only thing that they're different on is that these lack a little bit of vibrancy, but you can build it up. It's kind of like the Royals palette with the Modern Renaissance palette, if you have seen that video. It's like the same idea. And I'll tell you what, I don't say this about all Hush products because there's some palettes that I actually like better than the high-end ones that like actually have more pigment. But in this case, I think that the Naked Heat has a lot more vibrancy and more saturation of the colors. And this one, you can get there, it'll just take a little bit more time. But at the end of the day, I mean, you guys tell me, I feel like they look very, very similar. Obviously, what's left is how long they last. I'm actually, I'm about to finish my suitcase. I'm actually going out of town today, so I can't like do like a wear test video, but I will put it down below in the description box how each wore. I'm gonna try to wear it for the rest of the day, and I'll tell you guys like what the deal is. With Hush products, they have lasted me all day with the ones that I've tried, so I do have high hopes for this. I feel fine going out where I've been going because it looks the complete same. It's just the Naked one just looks a little bit prettier, a little bit more color. Yeah, I mean, I feel like if you really want the Naked Heat, get it. If you really want something really similar that might not be as good, cheaper, then get this one. I mean, it's all up to you really. I'm just showing you guys how they each work. Both of them are very, very beautiful palettes. I'm absolutely obsessed with this look, and I think it goes really well with my shirt color. So I'm really happy with the way it looks. So yeah, guys, I've done a lot of dupe videos. Let me know if there's any other ones that you'd like me to try. You guys know it's one of my favorite videos, and you guys love watching those videos. As always, they are on a playlist. I can link the playlist down below. You guys can watch all my dupe videos if you're interested. And yeah, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys learned about these palettes. Please comment down below. Let me know if you are, which palette do you have, or which one do you want to buy after seeing this video. Or if you have any other Hush products, let me know how you like them. I've loved a lot of their products, so they have really good quality products. So those are my thoughts, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you so much for all your support and all your love that I get from you guys daily. I really appreciate you guys, and I want you guys to know that. And I hope you're having an awesome day or night wherever you are, and I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Bye!